XRP confirmation with Swift 11,500 banks. Ripple XRP to $1,000. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we're going to discuss important news about Ripple and XRP confirming with Swift's 11,500 banks. But before we start, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also hit the ding ding bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we upload a new video. For now, let's get right back to it straight away.
Want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro? How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
When the concept of cryptocurrencies was first introduced, we noticed that a huge number of people started making profits, while, on the other hand, a significant number of people felt skeptical of the very idea. Though that percentage of people has been decreasing over time as markets started getting to the roots of economics of many other countries, a lot of people started getting a feeling that the crypto markets may really be the places where they will be able to make higher profits. One of the coins that have been taking advantage of this increasing use of cryptocurrencies is Quant. However, given it is much less exposed than other coins in the market, the coin that we will be speaking of today will have a totally different case. XRP is one of the most supported cryptocurrencies in the market. It has been one amongst the most anticipated coins as well in recent months, majorly due to the case that is going on against the SEC. Huge number of investors and YouTubers have been covering all the updates that have been taking place in the court. While all this is happening, the watchdogs have been claiming that there are some activities that are conducted by the DeFi protocol which may have been deemed illegal. This is a major blow to the entire system, as we may end up with a much higher fear in the market. If it continues, we may even reach a point where the market will be completely abandoned because of the extremely high fear that is being created against the legality of cryptocurrencies. They also claim that a lot of such activities may also be harmful to cryptocurrency users. The question is whether this will be applicable to all types of cryptocurrencies. We think that altcoins will probably keep rising further ahead, as the allegations that have been put out right now do not seem to have many bases to them. Even though there are claims that we may go a bit lower from the positions that we are at right now, we, on the other hand, may also get to make a lot more profit as soon as the market gets back to normalcy. The downtime that we have is mostly due to the fall in the market that we saw in recent months. The chances are that we will be able to get back up to the price levels that we have been in the past. This means a lot of the low times will not affect the price of the coins in the long run. The present lows can also be considered as just volatility that is normal in the case of any cryptocurrencies. One of the major indications of this is the fact that people are getting deeper into the concept of cryptocurrencies. As they started digging deeper, countries like China banned such operations. If the community was not determinate of their belief in the coin, the chances were that they would have decided to end the work that they have been doing. However, the reality was that as a result of the ban, instead of the people of China leaving cryptocurrencies, it was the people of China moving elsewhere in search of better resources. This was just about Bitcoin. However, there are a lot more things happening around the world in favor of cryptocurrencies. One of the biggest things to happen is the instructions given by JP Morgan to their advisors to advise the wealthy clients to invest in cryptocurrencies. This was a huge sign for the entire community of cryptocurrencies. For an institution like JP Morgan and the huge list of wealthy clients that they have, there are high chances that we may see much higher investments in the coin that are working well in the current days. Given that this idea works out for them, chances are that there will be even more financial institutions and banks looking forward to getting through the same and earn a bit more profit. However, even though JP Morgan did give a green light on this, it looks like these investments will not be direct. Rather, they will be through Grayscale, which is a respective crypto trust. One thing that is even more astonishing is that JP Morgan has been one of the biggest institutions in the world. This being the case, an acceptance from their side could mean a lot of bullish news for the market as a whole. There are high chances that all the disbeliefs against cryptocurrencies must have been put forth by officials of JP Morgan in the past to accumulate all they can. Even though this is all an assumption, the chances are that this could be true, and this must have been a strategy that they have been using to make sure that they accumulate enough to make this move. This could be one of the biggest reasons why they kept on denying the validity of the cryptocurrencies, especially Bitcoin, to accumulate enough for them to be able to give them off at a premium to their wealthy investors. Bitcoin has been on a serious plunge ever since this news came out in the market. Even though the situation has not been good for the crypto market for a long time, there have been some coins that have started moving upwards in the market. A few of them were Bitcoin and XRP, among others. The volatility in the market is what makes cryptocurrency the best and the riskiest investment at the same time, making them a high-risk, high-gain market. On average, the chances are that just being in this market for a year could mean that you will be able to earn 10 times more than what you could have earned in the stocks. Moving back into what exactly has been happening in Ripple, we noticed that Ripple hired Sujit Bob Chakravorty as chief economist. He has a very good history of being an economist in the past. He has been an economist at the Fed, Chicago, and in Dallas. This was noticed through a Twitter post by the Wrath of Con Men. He is also the CEO of his own firm named Chakra Advisors LLC, which has been up and running since 2016 till now. There has been a link between XRP and the banks in the past. If you look at this recruitment specifically, you will notice that Bob has been working at the Federal Reserve in Chicago and in Dallas as well. On top of that, his work with KPMG and the World Bank on the Gates Foundation project speaks a lot of the intentions that they have for the future of XRP. This does not end here. He has also been writing articles for the ECB, the IMF, which recently acknowledged Ripple, the Dutch Central Bank, and a lot more. The only thing that holds back XRP is the lawsuit. The sooner it ends, the faster it will come to gain back the momentum that it has been building before it got entangled in this lawsuit. The history of the new recruit speaks a lot about the future steps of Ripple and what follows from this date. Therefore, it becomes one of the greatest things to watch out for, and also one of the biggest reasons why prices could spool up for the XRP. The relationship that Ripple has with governments has always been amazing. One such other thing that has been happening is from the Bank of England. They completed a successful proof of concept with Ripple back in 2017. Adding on to this point, we noticed that the Bank of England appointed Accenture as the technology delivery partner for the real-time gross settlement service renewal program. As a matter of fact, Accenture is one of the partners of Ripple as well. A lot of things seem to be happening for XRP and Ripple apart from the ongoing case. We will certainly need to wait for the latest information to surface. As we rise back up to the overall market, we will be able to regain a lot of what has been lost. That being the case, will you be investing in XRP? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to continue to know more about XRP, we have got 2 more videos waiting for you in the end screen to check out. Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Also, please note that the prices of cryptocurrency frequently change, so by the time you watch this video, it might have changed to a whole new value. The information provided in this video does not constitute investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other sort of advice, and you should not treat any of the contents as such. The content in this video is for educational purposes only, and hence should not be considered as financial advice. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.